So Applebee's has a promotion going on with all you can eat riblets and all you can eat chicken tenders. So our food just got here. So that's what the riblets look like. I hope that music doesn't get into this or whatever. So and then this is what the chicken tenders look like. And it comes with sauce and your coleslaw, which I don't do coleslaw. But they're gonna bring us some more fries because we asked for it without salt, and of course they put salt on them. I don't know why they do that. I know. I'm like, why do they do that? I don't understand why they do that. Oh, whatever. When we specifically asked, and we're gonna just get it again. So I don't know. Okay.
Well, I think you put this food in the house.
Amen. So we're out. Let me go ahead and dig in. These still pretty hot. Because as you guys know, I wasn't here for my birthday, so Lee is taking me out. This is one of the stops. Hey. Well, yeah, because they've been sitting a little bit now. They were hotter. But I want like an extra napkin. I wasn't here for my birthday, and so now we're going to just make up for it. So tonight is Applebee. The next night, yeah, it's Applebee's night, and the next night I want to go to a sushi restaurant. So there's a new one that I found. Well, it's not new; it's new to us, but it looks like it's gonna be good. So we'll probably go there.
What riblet is that?
It's a riblet. I don't know.
Where the riblet is located? What part of it?
Like the top, I was thinking. Like riblets. What is riblets? I don't know what a riblet is. But we'll probably go to that sushi restaurant tomorrow. You work tomorrow? Okay. We'll go one day soon. So this is the first stop. But y'all, do y'all know what riblets is? We just came off of a live, and you guys said you wanted us to do a mukbang. So. Huh? Is it good? It's good.
Kind of weird. I really hope this is good.
What happened? Okay, guys. So right here, I had to turn down the volume because I previously uploaded this video before, and it was blocked by YouTube due to copyright infringement. So I didn't think the music was that loud. I did mention that in the video, like I hope the music wasn't too loud. So obviously it was. And they blocked the video. This video was supposed to go up 8 o'clock Saturday. I'm sorry, 8 o'clock Sunday morning. Which today is, what is today's date? I'm just going to kind of talk a little bit. Let's see. January 21st, 2018. So, had to turn the volume down, guys. So, that's why I'm interrupting here.
Are you going to eat coleslaw? This one tastes pretty good.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah.
I don't like coleslaw. So I'm waiting for them to bring us our new fries. Every time they put salt on the fries, it's always too much, and I don't like it. So I just dust it off. I don't really care for it.
Did you guys have a reorder?
For fries?
Oh, just fries?
Oh, well, you can leave that.
They reordered both.
Okay. So it was is it no salt? Because they messed it up and put salt on it the first time?
It looks like salt on there. Maybe they gave me the wrong.
Well, this one you can leave. This salt on this one fine.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Oh, this one better than this one.
She told me she was just going to bring me a basket of... Okay. I don't know what that's about. But okay. Anyways. Maybe that wasn't ours.
Is that reorder?
I know, but we reordered that thing. Maybe that's somebody else reordered.
You probably put them in the reorder. I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure a lot of people coming in for all you can eat. They're probably like, where's my reorder? And you took it.
That's an accident.
No. It touched the table anyway. Nobody don't want it.
She said yes, there is no salt on this, so she did do a reorder. So
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you. Oh, they actually brought me honey mustard. Oh, you're right. It didn't look like salt was on it, but she said it was, so.
I never seen, I don't cook a lot of ribs. No clue. What piece of bone that come from?
But it's a rib that You want my fries? Yeah. You know, I've seen something like that before. Those bones look so familiar.
They like to make the cat strips that they have overseas.
You know what? The cat strip.
But it's good though.
There's some ketchup from the french fries.
Yeah, you pass it.
Sure. Right here?
Right across.
Huh? On the fries, okay. I made a mess. Y'all know I'm messy. Y'all been a part of this family long enough to know I'm a little messy. It's all good though. I think these fries just get cold cooked. Because they were just warmer a few seconds ago.
Oh, thank you. I would probably die without that.
Yeah, they have these
Pretty nice.
sitting here warming. You can tell. But I mean,
Get your reorder?
yes. And can I have another Pepsi and a water with lemon? I never got the water the first time.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't hear.
That's okay.
No, you're right. You only heard one.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you didn't say one?
I never said one.
Oh, that was mine.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
I
right.
stole hers.
Thank you. You're the culprit. I'm sorry, who told me that? Tasty good.
Oh, it's pretty hot.
It's good, isn't it? You should taste it at barbecue. Yeah, they're hotter than these. These kind of dark.
That's pretty smooth.
Pretty good, isn't
I
it?
wonder if they realize.
Oh yeah. Let me taste the fresh one. I'm tasting the riblets. Thank you.
I'm gonna ask her where animals come from.
She's gonna be like, animal? Y'all Lee always gotta do stuff like that. But y'all know already.
I never seen that mom before.
I have.
I
They look
never
familiar. Shut up. These side come from the Capricorns. But I thought it was a Delius.
It is. Yeah, a couple days now.
I used to come from the Capricorns, now I come from the Delius land.
Yeah. I like this stuff now.
It's good, guys. For some reason, these fries just have pickles.
You know what?
Do they do you too?
What?
Just have pickles?
Pickles? What type of pickles?
The fries.
Oh, no.
It tastes like pickles to me. What were you gonna say? You said, you know what?
Yes. I forgot what I was going to say.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What was that? I forgot what I was going to say.
Y'all like to drink both. I don't know if that's weird, but I just always do. Like,
That's what I do.
I know, eat them. Ooh, that water has a tap taste.
Oh, I know what I was going to say.
What?
Do they have hot sauce? No? Maybe not. Tabasco?
They might have Tabasco if you ask for it.
Question. If I was homeless, I would just go to a place where you don't have to pay first. Eat other food. You go to jail. Just eat it. They won't be hungry no more.
It's good.
What?
These riblets are good.
I just want to know exactly what come from.
It's just for pork.
I think it's pork.
These are good. Nice and tender. The bone fell out. They falling off the bone. It's good. It's a little odd shaped bone. It's like a circle. Well, whatever shape that is.
I hope these ain't squirrel backs.
What?
Barbecue that with the barbecue sauce on it.
Did you say squirrel back? What is a squirrel back? These some good squirrel backs. How many of these? If you had to guess. These chicken tenders are good.
Yeah.
I should have drunk that drink.
Yeah.
That trick you, get you full.
That's why it's not much.
This is a good suggestion, babe.
Yeah. These tender. I didn't think they could be this
I
tender.
know, they're tender. The tenders are tender,
Yeah.
and the riblets are tender. I hope y'all can hear us. And I hope that music is not too loud.
It's definitely being out.
It is, but, you know, I hope it's not too, because it's not real loud, but
Oh, it's open.
I'm saying it's not like, well, they'll try to copyright us. I don't do that out. Okay, but one, two. Our wait wasn't that bad. Was it exactly 20 minutes? She came and got us before 7? It was Saturday. I know Saturday is busy. For most restaurants. See, that's always my problem with food. I'm a drinker. I like to drink.
I eat them. I eat.
Made me feel bad for real.
That's my jam.
That was bomb. Merci peut-être. We were on our live and y'all were eating some good food tonight.
I'm going to have
Y'all was eating boudin.
chicken with bacon.
Leilani was eating boudin.
Bacon cheddar grilled chicken sandwich.
Amisha was eating baked spaghetti with garlic bread and corn.
That's about the price for the
And I forget your name. Was eating a Hershey bar with almonds. Cynthia? Was it Cynthia? Y'all, I'm terrible with names. I don't remember the other two because I see those names often.
Please. Thank you.
Y'all eat some good food.
Get your money right now. I'm eating tenders.
I mean, no, I'm just eating no.
I always. Yeah.
I like their food.
Burgers are very.
I'm on red food. Those riblets are
What's funny is
what?
Because
I want YouTube to recognize that song because I don't know the name of
classic cheeseburger.
You what?
it. I want YouTube to recognize that song. I don't know the name of it.
You want them to? I don't want them to recognize it.
I need to know the name of the song so I can get
Well,
it.
you better know. I don't want them to recognize it. Let me go flag this
Trying
video.
to find out, trying to figure the difference.
I want your riblets. I want your riblets.
Want to choose?
Really? You have them.
That's just strips. I done ate enough squirrels already.
But eat them. There's a bunch of them.
Yeah, I'm not.
This is gonna take like pickles. It's got pickles to me.
No more rivers right now.
Yeah, I like the riblets. And he like the chicken strips. Isn't that crazy? How you feel? Feel?
A little bit.
What you want today?
With a little bit. And that sauce.
The honey mustard? Nah. I like the sauce that's already on there. Oh, this food is good. And I never really used to like Applebee. I don't know, I just never did. But it's better than I remember. You feed your beard.
I had to say something.
That was wet. Oh, you gotta say some paper. Well, this is a good date night slash
Thank you.
birthday dinner slash something else. No pull? You ain't gonna no reorder?
Huh? Yeah.
But the burp will get out of the way. That's something I like about RGB. It's a trip.
No, I ate quite a bit.
You did?
Yeah, I ate quite
Oh,
a bit.
well.
Where bones at? You ate bones too?
Seriously, the bones are over here.
I look at your bones compared to mine.
Well, how many ribs you ate? Just two? You only had two?
That one came with two. This one had like quite a bit.
Oh, yeah. You gotta order some more ribs.
When you reorder, you get a little bit less. Cause I know you gonna be full, so I ain't gonna pile them up.
Eating great. Nice.
That's all right.
Whatever the river. Oh, you did. I should forgot. Either she forgot or they forgot. No, we don't know our waitress name. Do people go? I don't think I ever. She probably told us her name, but I don't remember. I don't know what this part of the river is on the back. Is this the squirrel back?
So people tended to
This one been warmer. It was a thousand at the bottom.
Yeah.
And they put it on the tray.
I want some of these riblets. They're
This one
good.
been in there since yesterday. It tastes nothing like the other ones.
Don't eat them. Let me get some more. gotta get nothing what I want to know.
Yeah.
When I pray, I know my thirst.
What's called is good.
What?
For me, when I pray, it's more like,
The wingettes.
Tenders?
Yeah, tenders. And,
blew my mind.
what's called these right here?
Yeah.
They was good.
I know.
Cause they was, I was expecting them to be like maybe a little dry, a little stiff.
Yeah,
And
cause you was like,
they about wet, like they marinated
I
it.
know, Lee was like, this don't look like TV. I said, when do it ever look like TV?
Power.
I don't even taste it though.
It's mainly more.
TV always makes it look prettier.
I'm trying to see what it's worth. Cause I don't see it.
So
I don't know.
we dropped that bombshell, and I was like, oh, that's pretty great.
But they had to make it taste good. Okay, so here's another point in the video where it was copyrighted as well for whatever reason. I guess the music was too loud. I didn't think so, but apparently it was because YouTube copyrighted me. So let's see, what were we talking about here? I think Lee was saying something about the coleslaw. It was like something in it that tasted funny or something. I don't know, but yep, I'm voiceovering this part again, so I'm able to put the video up to show you guys because I know you wanted to see the Applebee's mukbang. So sorry again that it is going to be lowered, but I had no choice, but we were enjoying ourselves and enjoying our food. So I'm very happy about that part, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. But you see what we do for y'all? It's because we love y'all. So I really hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Oh, so every time we order it, they give you more fries. They think they slip.
Potatoes.
I need no more potatoes.
Eight drink fries. 8 Joe. Mine.
Oh, that was good food.
I know that when you're sharing the ball, I need to have a
No, we didn't. We ordered
just call it. Nothing. Did you have your hand up?
I'm gonna tell them to hold the coleslaw so they don't waste it.
I told you.
I ate 2 of them, so they didn't do that.
I'm gonna tell them. Alright, this is a little bit dry, so
Yeah, I always
you can take
You're
that.
a good chair. Good to know.
Well, they're not.
Cheering more.
Right, they're pretty good now.
Okay.
Not now though. Oh yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
What's that? You don't drive one of your. You don't drive one of your.
I didn't know they come off of your plate.
How much is it?
They're giving us time to what's the word I'm looking for? Yeah.
No. Recoup.
Yeah, like strawberry lemonade.
Free.
Oh, it's not alcoholic. That's what it says. You receive 1 strawberry lemonade for free.
Do what?
If we don't suggest one of these.
No, he drives.
Did you hear a
He
suggestion?
said he was driving.
I didn't hear a suggestion.
Yeah, she did.
She suggested that.
We're going to be back in time.
I remember her suggested us a light 32 ounce personal picture.
She said something to that effect.
I didn't hear her suggest that.
Late night special, that's what she said. She suggested. But I had to go with her.
I don't want no strawberry lemonade. I don't remember no suggestion.
Because you was not listening.
That was a good idea.
You ain't gonna mind if I do.
Yeah, I want some of Riblets, so. I mean, I will come back and like do it again if, yeah, we'll both eat the same thing. That way we both can have chicken nuggets. I mean, chicken tenders and Riblets. We're ready for our return.
It's not a difference.
You guys want another reorder?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I have the 6-ounce sirloin?
No.
Yeah.
So I was talking to somebody. Did I ever do this?
She was like, you don't want to We go eat out at a house and restaurant. I'm just kidding.
Me too.
Yeah, when I do go to all you eat, I try my best to make sure I'm nice and satisfied because it's so easy to get full. So and that is the gimmick. Yeah, we done got our reorder and we forgot about y'all. Because we was waiting kind of a long time for it. They try to tell us that these riblets are beef. These riblets are not beef. They're pork. And it might be delicious. They gave us some fresh fries. It was so hot. Now we've been snacking and recording. And YouTubing. But yeah, this is good. Really good food. Feels very weird saying that about Applebee's to me. I never used to like them. And Lee just came down because he's in his phone.
I'm trying to figure out what it says again.
It's pork. It's not beef.
And it resembles pork.
It is.
It's a lot of pork ribs. I've never seen that bone.
But what tastes like?
I told you, it tastes like pork, but it tastes like something
He
else.
says goat.
Nah, I think it's squirrel.
Oh, it's squirrel back. Oh, you said it from the beginning of you?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take your time.
Can I have a water to go?
Water to go?
Yes.
You want a Pepsi to go?
Oh, sure. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You gonna give me a riblet?
Yeah, give me a pass.
Yeah.
No, it'd be a first time.
Oh yeah, we finna go. Food was good. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for all the people that. Oh, what else coming next? That's the next we do a mukbang because we weren't sure if we was gonna do it now. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more videos like this.
Till next time.
Peace out.